Hi there, Greg DuPont here from the law offices of DuPont Bloomingdale. I'm going to take a moment and share with you some insight with regard to Medicaid Asset Protection Trusts. What are they and what do they do, and why may they be something that you should consider for your family? So a Medicaid Asset Protection Trust is a legal structure that we put assets in order to protect them from claims by Medicaid down the road. If we've been able to put assets in this trust more than 5 years before we need to apply for Medicaid, then those assets have basically bulletproof protection if it's done right. Now, why would we do this? Well, here's a good example that I see all the time. We have a house that we want to make sure that we protect that for our legacy. Well, if we put that house into a Medicaid Asset Protection Trust more than 5 years before we need nursing home care, then that house will pass to our beneficiaries of our trust that we decide who they are. Call it our kids. We want the kids to have the house. We put it into a Medicaid Asset Protection Trust, and then it is protected. There are other assets we can put in. There are some limitations on how we do that, but the structure is one that can hold any asset that we want to put into it. Now, what we put into it, the planning, the strategies that are involved with regard to that, well, that's part of what what a comprehensive estate planning process is, to decide what assets go in there, how much we want to protect, and why do we do this? Quite simply, we do this to maintain control over our life savings. See, absent having these tools in place in a solid estate plan, well, we leave it to chance. We leave it to chance that the government's going to come in and change our taxes. We leave it to chance that Medicaid is going to come in and take our assets. We leave it to chance that our cost of care in a medical facility is excessive and takes control. So one way that many people that have worked with our office have decided that's prudent for their family to take control is through using a Medicaid Asset Protection Trust. If you want any more information, please feel free to reach out to our team here at DuPont Bloomingdale. Take care. Be well.